Hello everyone, I am Angelica C. Endoma, a BS-ECE 3A student, and I am tasked to make an 8x8 dot matrix animation controlled by the infrared remote control. So this will be our circuit diagram. These are the materials that we need. Max 7219 8x8 dot matrix LED display, connecting wire female to female, Arduino Uno R3 microcontroller board, USB cable, connecting wire male to male, infrared receiver, infrared remote control, power supply, it could be a battery or a power bank, and a breadboard. First, let's prepare our software. So we have to open our Arduino software. Next, click the sketch and then include library. Go to manage library and then search for the library you want to include or install. So I have to search IR remote. Just wait for it to appear in the screen. There. And then just keep waiting. Okay, so there it is. So this one is what we are going to install for our task. And then click or select the version. So you have to select the 2.5.0 and then click install. Just wait for it to finish installing. So as you can see, we already installed the needed library, which is the IR remote for our task. Proceed to the hardware setup. So we already have the codes here in order to check if our components are working. So open the serial monitor and then click for any number or button in the remote or IR remote control. And as you can see there, the serial monitor there displays the different equivalent codes for the buttons. We are already done in setting up our software as well as our hardware. Now let's follow our circuit diagram including our dot matrix and the infrared receiver. So this is the codes that I am going to use. So these codes are modified codes of my previous codes, which is the code of the dot matrix animation of the movie scene Maleficent. So I use here the IR remote library in order for the control of the infrared receiver and to control the stop, play, and pause of our dot matrix animation using the IR remote control. I use button 1 as play, button 0 as pause, and button 3 as stop. So let's see if these 3 buttons really works in controlling my dot matrix animation. Now let's watch the Maleficent 2, the Mistress of Evil with the infrared remote control.
Once upon a time, or perhaps twice upon a time, for you may remember this story, there was a powerful fae named Maleficent.
promised them. Your kind is more.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.